Video we'll understand how you have to make intents and entities. So intents basically are something that makes the AI understand what the user wants. So for example, if the user is saying I want a pizza, you need to create an intent that is get pizza so that the AI will be able to understand that the user wants a pizza. That is intents. Now each and every specific properties of the intents are stored in entities. So for example, if the user says I want a BBQ pizza, a barbecue pizza, that means that barbecue is an entity of the term pizza and it has to be stored inside entities. So let's start by creating an entity. Go and press on the create entity button. Let's type the name of the entity. This is to define a synonym, and if so, for example, BBQ can also be called a barbecue. So for that you can just tick here, and then go BBQ, enter the synonym here, click enter. Right, remember to click twice else it will not be saved. And I'm just going to take two examples here, farmhouse and barbecue, and I'm just going to save it here. Right, this is created an entity called pizza names. Now let's go to intents. Click on the create intent button. The intent name is get pizza. Now this is to understand what the user wants. So here I had some examples of what the typical expression that the user is going to enter looks is going to look like. So farmers, it will already predict whatever you have stored in there, and if you want to change it you can just press on X to remove it, right? So here is, we please, it is recommended that you add at least 5 examples for good results. Our AI is very powerful, and it will be able to understand what you want to do, right? So but you have to put in the 5 examples. So in this particular case I have not added any entity, and so what I'm going to do is, for example, if you want to make ask the user what pizza he wants, you have to this is a required parameter. Barbecue, farmhouse, or basically pizza name is a required parameter that you need to process the request. So if that is a required parameter, then you have to just go and check the required parameter inside the parameters here and define a prompt. So you can write the prompt text to be like, please input the pizza name, right? So now whenever the user says only I want to buy a pizza and does not tell you the name of the pizza he wants, that is barbecue or farmhouse, this will appear, right? Now let's add a couple more examples. Right, see, automatically annotated here, again automatically add. Now click save. Don't forget to do this, else it will not work. Yeah, save. Now here we have also given a try it now, where you can try out whatever you have built right now. So let's say I want to buy a BBQ pizza. See, it gave out the results, pizza name and intent name is get pizza. So it was able to understand what the user is saying. uh, let's try this out, right? Or let's just say change it a bit to get a BBQ pizza, right? Or just say BBQ pizza, right? Same, it can also work for farmhouse pizza, right? So this is all about building intents via entities and understanding what the user is saying. Now, just one last example I want to put in. I want a pizza. So here you are not going to mention the pizza name. See, the intent is empty, and in the live bot you will see this appearing up there itself. Thank you so much.